Hi guys, and I hope you're doing well. So can you believe that these baked potatoes are so easy to make, guys? I hope you learned something from this video. Let's get started. And here are my potatoes that I'm going to be using, and here are the spices. Please use the spices accordingly depending on what you like and what you've got at hand. These are the cuts that I went for. They look like wedges, and after that you're just going to add your spices into the potatoes, and then you're going to mix, just ensuring that the potatoes are covered with the spices. If you'd like more bigger sizes of potatoes, please go by that, and I just chose this cut because I have made this recipe before and I loved how it came out. So add cooking oil. You can use whatever oil you've got at hand. If you've got olive oil, sunflower oil, whatever you like, guys, just customize this recipe to be to your liking. Do not do not limit yourself to do whatever I've done here. And one more thing that I wish I had added to this recipe is soy sauce. I added it later when I was taking the potatoes to bake. Like, you're going to realize that. So you're going to line your baking tin, and I do not have a fancy baking tin, so I'm just using the tins that I used to bake cakes in. Just line them with aluminum foil and then spread your potatoes. Just ensure that the pan is not overcrowded like you see here. And after that, you're just going to cover the baking tin like you see here. This ensures that the potatoes cook very fast because of the steam, because the steam is not like evaporating, it's not coming out of the pan like you see. So I lined another small pan, added the remaining potatoes, and then covered that. And I was while I was doing this, guys, I was preheating my oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and so when I was done, it was just a matter of putting the potatoes in the oven. So cover the other pan like you see here with aluminum foil, and then you're going to close it very nicely and put it in the oven. Guys, if you've got a bigger baking tray, that is even better. It makes the work easier like you see on the video. And if you do not have an oven, you can always make this on your stove top. Just use a non-stick pan and they're going to come out just as delicious. Now take the pans that you have covered, and then you're going to put them in the oven, and this is halfway. I've put them on top of a pan because they were hot. I did not want to burn the contact paper on my table. So like you can see, the potatoes are fully cooked, but I want to get the crunchy outside, so they are soft. Like you can see, I confirmed with a spoon, but I just put them back in the oven to bake now without the foil. Like you can see, I have removed the foil. Do not cover now, just put it like that. So this is the point where I sprinkled a small amount of soy sauce. I did not record that, guys, so that is why after baking they were having this nice brownish color. It is because I added soy sauce. So if you'd like to have such a color, please add soy sauce when you're adding the other spices. You're going to like it. So these are the potatoes, guys. They were so yummy, guys. They were so delicious. I'm just garnishing them with some coriander for presentation, and we love them. My children love them, and I'm going to be doing this recipe again and again. Thank you for watching. See you next time.